Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India is inviting online applications to recruit assistant managers in different departments. Let us check the vacancies. There are 16 assistant manager vacancies in different departments. Under Materials Department 7 vacancies, under Research and Development Department 4 vacancies, under HR Department 3 vacancies, in Legal Department 2 vacancies are available, and the salary will be 40,000 to 1,40,000 rupees per month. The selection process involves online examination and personal interview. Candidates who are shortlisted through online exam will be called for interview on 1:4 ratio. The online exam pattern involves these sections: professional knowledge 60 questions, general knowledge 15 questions, English language 15 questions, logical reasoning 15 questions, quantitative aptitude 15 questions. Totally 120 questions will be asked for 150 marks, and the total time duration of the exam is 2 hours. Let us check the eligibility criteria to apply for these jobs. The age limit will be considered as on 18th November 2020, and the age limit will be 30 years for general candidates, and there will be age relaxation as per government rules for SC ST 5 years and for OBC 3 years and physical handicap 10 years. Let us check the educational qualification required to apply for these jobs. For assistant managers in materials department, the essential qualification should be first class degree in engineering in these departments: mechanical, electrical, pulp and paper technology, electronics, printing technology, and also 2 years postgraduate degree or postgraduate diploma MBA in the area of material management, stores management, purchase, operations management is required. For assistant manager in research and development, the candidate should be first class BTech or BE in the area of mechanical, electrical, electronics, etc., or first class full-time MSc in chemistry. For assistant manager in HR department, the essential qualification and desirable qualification is like this. And for assistant manager in legal department, the essential qualification should be first class degree in law, and desirable qualification is law degree from National Law School. And the application fee to apply for these jobs is for general, EWS and OBC categories 600 rupees, for SC ST physical handicapped categories 200 rupees. Let us check the important dates regarding this recruitment process. The online registration process starts from 19th October 2020, and the last date to apply online is 18th November 2020. Before going to apply online, keep all these necessary details with you to avoid any interruption in between the application process. First of all, scan the photo and signature of the candidate and keep the necessary details with you to pay application fee. Have valid personal email ID and mobile number to get intimations regarding this recruitment process. Let us check step-by-step procedure to apply online. First of all, go to the website SPMCIL official website, that is spmcil.com, and click on careers option, and then click here to apply online. I will show these steps in live also. Then click for new registration. Fill the basic information so that candidate will get the provisional registration number and password. After that, upload the scanned copies of photograph and signature and preview and recheck the filled details and pay the application fee, and then finally submit the application. This is the official website of spmcil.com. There you can find the careers option. Click on this. There you can find notification details. If you want to see the notification details, click here, view details link. If you want to apply online, click on this link. See the notification details. Click here. This is the official notification. Whichever we have discussed in the video, all these are available here. And then go for apply online. For that, click here to apply, and then click here for new registration. There you have to fill the basic details and click on save and next button. This photo and signature form will be open. Upload the scanned copy of photo and signature and click on save and next button. You have to fill the required details whichever asked in that page. Preview the filled application to edit if there is any mistakes, and then finally pay the application fee and submit the application. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel for latest updates. Click on subscribe button and bell button so that you can get the latest videos as notification. Thank you.